Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Right, okay, I am doing a shaker card today using the Victorian treasures. So this is a sneaky peeky, and I've got some information to tell you that I forgot to mention in my first one, and you need to know before release day. Right, so I'm just looking in my book. Not that one. Come on. Here we go. Oh, and do you know that this is Dawn's release 12? This is 12 releases. How awesome is that? Right, so from the 1st of March to the 7th of March, we have, well, I don't myself, Dawn has a free floral colouring pack when you buy the card kit. And I think that is awesome value for money. Absolutely brilliant. Is there anything else I need to tell you? I don't think so. No, I've got nothing else written down, so I think that's it really. But I will put it in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Yeah, that's it. That's all I need to tell you. From the 1st to the 7th, you will get something free with your card kit order. I'm not sure if it's just on the website, so you will need to check. Or go over and watch Dawn's videos. She's got more information, obviously. It's her card kit. Right, I'm just getting myself comfy. So I've already got my shaker element sort of ready. So I'm using this gorgeous glitter card that comes in the card kit, and just one of the little packets that I can't even remember what was in it. Is it stickers? I don't know. And that is all I'm using for my shaker. So I'm going to fill it up now. And you get these gorgeous sequins. Yes, Claire, that's what they're called. They're called sequins. So I'm just going to empty a fair few in here. And I've got some other elements from the kit as well, which I'm going to use. So just going to put that over there. And there we go. How simple is that? Shaker. I mean, you could just do that and put like some on it. Yeah. Right, what am I doing? Okay, so before we get started, I thought it would be a nice idea, I'm going to use that one, to round the corners. I haven't rounded the corners on anything for ages. So I thought I'm rounding the corners just on them two sides. So I don't know if I measured this properly. Yes. So it's just on two sides. Oh, have you seen? If you are a member of ShinySilverTreasures Facebook group, you will probably see the post that says that is it's ShinySilverTreasures Facebook group's 5th year anniversary. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Yeah, so me and Dawn really celebrated over the weekend. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Let's get on with making the card. Anyway, we had to celebrate, didn't we? So yeah, it was awesome. Really enjoyed myself. So I went over to hers. Had a good drink, a good talk, a good laugh. We even danced a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, it was fun. It was really fun, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. So did Dawn. So we'll definitely be doing that again. Yeah, there doesn't even have to be anything to celebrate. No, we'll just do it anyway. yeah. Okay, back to the card. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I haven't come off screen while I've been gabbering on. Isn't that just beautiful like that? But you can't leave it blank like that. So I've got my shaker. Not too sure. Oh, that looks beautiful. Not too sure what or how I'm doing it yet. So I've got a frame, wooden frame that comes with the kit, a flower, an owl that comes from Weed and Wonderful, which she has put in this kit, and it goes so well together. And I've also got these flowers. I've got the stickers, but I don't think I'm going to use them. I think I'm going to use these. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, let me just close this up. No, actually, I want to get these little hearts out. That one. So I'm just going to get 3 out. So cute. Cute. Oh, it's got a little bit of glitter on that one. Never mind. Use the glitter. There we go. So I'm going to use them 3 hearts as well. Okay, so that's that out of the way. I think I'm going to have this here. Definitely going to have this here. So I have got some... I actually found some of my double-sided tape. How cool is that? So, is that even stuck down? No, it's okay. It's best to use tape, especially when you're sticking plastic down or sticking anything on plastic. Glue doesn't tend to work as well. It doesn't stick for very long. So yeah, I think it's just best to use double-sided tape. Like I said, it sticks better, it holds longer. Oh, it's really thin, that. I didn't think it was that thin. I'm gonna roll that over. Are you going to stick? Yes, there we go. Yeah. So make sure it's straight-ish. That's about as straight as I'm going to get. Right, so I know I want that there. Oh, don't lose your heart. I've lost a heart there. It's stuck to my card. Let's move you up there. Right, so I knew I wanted that there. Woohoo! Now it's deciding where it is. I'm putting these. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. I do like that owl. And I'm thinking, do I even need the frame? Do I need the frame? Do you know what? I don't think I'm going to use the frame. No, I've changed my mind. I'm not using the frame. So yeah, I'm going to stick the fleur down. Fleur. Like that. Then bits on that side. Okay, and I have got a butterfly and I have got a sentiment as well. We'll get to them bits in a moment. There. Or there. Or there even. I need something underneath there. Let me see. I've got some card. Card might be thick enough actually. Let me just check. Yeah, card is thick enough. So I've got, right, so it's doubled. So I'm just going to cut that strip off there. So try and remember this bit is, oh, let me check. Second guessing myself now. So it's this bit at the bottom and this bit here. Right, so 2 bits of card together. So this is where it could go wrong. put a little bit more off there and stick that down like that, and then another bit of card. Oop. On top of there, and then this little bit of the L. Okay, so like that, I think. Make sure you can glue everywhere now. Make sure you can't see the card from behind. And then there was a bit at the bottom, wasn't there? Yeah, I think so. Let me just check. That bit there, this bit here. So I'm just gonna, yeah, I just want 2 squares. 1, 2, the squarish, just at the bottom here. Oh, do it that way. Do it that way. And then that is perfect. Yeah, so it's not going to be stuck onto here. I'm just going to stick it on the bits of card that I've stuck on the back, like that. Make sure that is where it needs to be, which is about there. So it's not stuck to the plastic, it's just stuck to the card. There we go. That is nice. Let's just have a look. That one maybe, and that one. I quite like it as it is, like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. They've got the dimension on with a sticky, but I'm gonna put some more glue on there. So that one there, that one there, and then that one on top, just about there. That's nice, isn't it? I'm just looking at this again. No, I don't want it on. Stop it. So I have got a sentiment that says stay true to who you are. So I'm going to have to put some more, because I want that across there, and I've got a butterfly as well. So if I do that, how long I wait? A bit shorter than that. So I'm just gonna stick my pieces of card together. I'm gonna put 3 on just so it's up a little bit more, because that is sort of gone down there a little bit. Right, it's on a slant. I mean, it's okay, but yeah, I'd rather have some of my card straight. Will that ever happen? No, probably not. Right, so, and it's good if you've got any scrap card lying around as well and you don't want to throw it out, and yeah. It's still dipping, so I want a bit more card on. Yeah. Just a bit more. I mean, I could have used cardboard really, couldn't I? Never mind. It would have been thicker, but it's okay. It's still dipping, but I think it's because, let's just do that. That's better. It's because of the I don't know what I'm pointing at that for. Sequins. It's because of the sequins were in the way. Right, that's probably not going to stay stuck there, so I'm going to have to do something about that. Right, so we have a gorgeous butterfly and we've got that space left there. So I'm just going to put that right there. And then I'm going to use my picky up tool. Yay, I got the right side. Let that go on there. For some little hearts. So one there, and one just creeping in down there. One there. One there. And one just in there. Get it straight. There we go. And that is my card. My shaker. Using Victorian treasures. I love that little shaker element in the corner. Wow, I really, really like that card. It's so pretty. And it just works well together, doesn't it? Right, okay. So, that is my card all finished. I love it. Da, 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 da. Sorry. Put my tape away because I don't think I'll be needing that anymore because I've got, believe it or not, lots more videos to do today. So I want to be ahead. I'm sort of ahead in a way. So yeah, and I'm enjoying it as well. Being ahead and, you know, not worrying about whether or not am I going to get it done in time and everything. So yeah, I love it. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to stop waffling. Don't forget to check out the description box below for all the links to all the other gorgeous, fabulously talented design team members. Beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Very glary though, isn't it? There we go. So yeah. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.